prepared for severe weather. Staying aware can save lives if you have reliable alert systems in place. Make sure your smartphone is set up to receive emergency weather alerts. For iPhone users, go to your settings and scroll down to tap on notifications. Scroll until you find government alerts. Here you can enable emergency, public safety, severe weather, and Amber alerts. For Android users, go to your settings and find safety and emergency notifications. Tap on advanced settings and then click on emergency alerts. Here you can enable those same alerts. This service sends critical warnings to your phone even if you're asleep or away from the TV. Additionally, keep a NOAA weather radio at home or work. It operates 24/7 and signals alarms during power outages or in areas with little to no cell service.
When we issue a warning, it goes out on weather radio immediately because we're in full control of that. If you've got like 1 or 2 bars, you may not get that warning right away. So the weather radio, especially if you're in an area of low signal, is going to be your best bet.
Download weather apps, sign up to receive local notifications for your area, and stay tuned to local news and radio during severe weather. Severe weather can strike anytime. Ensure you have multiple ways to receive alerts. Take a moment today to check your settings and devices. Stay weather aware and stay safe. Brought to you by the Arkansas Division of Emergency Management and the Arkansas Department of Public Safety.